Hello everyone and welcome to the bHaptics TactGlove tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to properly interchange the outer gloves. For optimized hand tracking performance, the outer gloves come in different colors and patterns. The tracking performance can be affected by different external factors, such as your headset and environment. So feel free to test out different outer gloves and use the ones that work best for your hand tracking setup. First, wear your tact glove on your hand. To remove the outer glove, simply pull the corners of the Velcro on the left and right side of the controller. Undo the main strap, open the Velcro completely, then remove the outer glove from the main glove. Now pick an outer glove of your choice. Flip the Velcro parts of the outer glove to avoid having the Velcro hooks sticking to the loops while putting it on. Slide your fingers into the outer glove and pull it all the way so that your fingertips can reach the tips of the gloves. Be sure to adjust by gently pulling on any additional fabric and locking your fingers together. Now flip down the Velcro parts of the outer glove and fasten the Velcro, making sure the outer glove is aligned with your main glove. Repeat the steps for the other side and you're all set.